again. The weather was absolutely terrible, so I didn't get much done. Well, I did, but I didn't put it on the camera. Let me show you what I have done so far. So all this rear panel and the door and the side skirt are all done. It's very dirty now, so don't mind it. It's been sitting under the trees. The roof looks terrible as well now. But anyways, we have about 2 hours of no rain, so we're gonna tackle this side now. Gonna get the rear panel done. All this thing. Just gonna wipe it off now, clean it, make sure there's no water on it, and get to work. All the mirrors are gone as well. All the door panels are gone as well. Everything is done. Ready to be wrapped. So yeah, I'll try to film as much as I can of this process, since I didn't get to film the other side. piece cut out. We'll start from here, wrapping all the way up, and then do the back. Still have some access in the back as well, but that's okay. So that's what we're working with now. Put it off straight away there. Same goes with the back layer. I'm just gonna lay on it. Get your squeegee. And lift this up. A little bit of stretch. And lay it nice and flat. Introduce a bit of heat to the corner there. So goes the knife in the corner there. That's it for now. Yes, we can peel back more now. This up there. Stretch and put. Stretch and put. Let's squeeze all this. So this is the easy part. And I'll do the other part now. Nice and easy, taking my time. But I don't have much time left. Alright, so we got top part done. This area has a lot of tension though. Gonna need a lot of heat. But all the top is perfect. This side is perfect. Now we're gonna work down to the bottom. Alright, so this is how far we go. So don't mind this because this is getting cut out and I'm gonna put a separate piece on there. Yeah, I got a bit on front. The back is nearly done. Just that part. The other side is done. Looks amazing. Everything tucked in. Beautiful. So got one side somewhat done. The whole roof. And this entire side. Bathroom.